Dear students, today we will start accounting treatment of bills of exchange. Mainly there are 4 cases of treatment of bills of exchange. The very first case is when bill is retained with the drawer till the date of maturity. So first of all we must know the meaning of these terms, drawer and drawee. Drawer means who writes the bill, who gets the bill accepted from the drawee. Drawee means who has to make the payment and he accepts the bill, right? He on the base terms and conditions given by the drawer. And we have to maintain the books of drawer as well as drawee. Maintenance of books means we have to keep the record of journal in both of the parties of the, right? We have to maintain journal of both the parties. So first case is when bill is retained with the drawer till the date of maturity. Means drawer writes the bill, he gets the bill accepted from the drawee and retains it with himself till the date of maturity. On the due date, the drawee makes the payment to the drawer. Means the bill is met on the date of maturity. So how to do accounting treatment? The first transaction is when Y, suppose we have assumed there are two parties X and Y. X is the drawer and Y is the drawee. Two parties we can assume here. And first transaction is when X sold goods to Y. So in the books of X means the seller, the entry will be Y debit to sales account. In the books of Y, the entry will be purchase debit to X. Because Y is the buyer, he will maintain the books on the basis of the goods purchased by him. After that, X received a bill duly accepted by Y, means X writes the bill, sends it to Y and Y accepts it. After this, that bill becomes asset for the drawer, means it is bills receivable because X will get payment on the basis of this bill. So bills receivable account debit to Y, and in the books of Y it will be X debit to bills payable. Bills payable is liability for Y and same bill is asset for X, bills receivable. On the date of maturity, X receives the payment, bank account debit to BR account, and Y makes the payment on the basis of this bill on the date of maturity, BP account debit to bank account. So on the basis of this, we will do practical question number 5. Practical question number 5. You can have a look on this question. On 1st February 6, 2017, A sold goods for rupees 1 lakh to B. Now we will maintain the books of X as well, A as well as B. A is drawer, seller of the goods, and B is drawee, buyer of the goods. In the books of A, entry will be B debit to sales account, and the books of B, the entry will be purchase account debit to A. 1 lakh की entry होगी ये बेटा. After that, B paid 40% amount immediately, on which A allowed a cash discount of rupees 500. 40% of 1 lakh, it will be 40,000. So entry will be in the books of drawer. उसने 40,000 देने लगे तो 39,500 पेमेंट ली और 500 का डिस्काउंट दे दिया. तो एंट्री विल बी बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, डिस्काउंट अलाउड अकाउंट डेबिट टू बी 39,500, 500 and 40,000. And in the books of B, A debit to bank account to discount received account. After that, and for the balance, A drew a bill on B payable after 30 days. Now balance amount is 60,000. For 60,000 bill is written and duly accepted. BR account debit to B in the books of A, और B की books में क्या हो जाएगा बेटा, A debit to bills payable account. And the due date of the bill was a public holiday. ड्यू डेट बेटा बनती है 30 डेज के लिए, बिल लिखा 11 मार्च, बट वो पब्लिक हॉलीडे थी, एक दिन पहले बिल मैच्योर हो जाएगा 10th मार्च को. ऑन 10th मार्च द एंट्री विल बी इन द बुक्स ऑफ ड्रॉअर बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू BR account, and in the books of drawee BP account debit to bank account. This entry will be of rupees 60,000, right? On the basis of this, you can do question number 3, 4 and 5. So from question number 1 to 5, you can solve today. Next 2 cases will continue tomorrow. Okay children, thank you very much. All the very best.